Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the OnePlus 8 Pro Sandstone case. I ordered this case a week ago when it came out, and it just arrived, so we're going to take a look at it. Very excited to actually have a OnePlus branded case, because a lot of the third-party ones I've ordered on eBay and Amazon have an extra cutout for a camera flash that's not there. Not sure where they got that design from, but yeah, there's a couple design issues with the cheaper third-party ones, so nice to have a first-party case that will be properly designed for the phone. So it just comes in a FedEx Express envelope if you get the priority shipping, and then it comes in this little cardboard box inside, nothing fancy. If you order more than one case, I'm sure they'll all be, in here. So here it is. It's the Sandstone bumper case in Sandstone Black. They do have a blue one, I believe, as well. This is my first OnePlus Sandstone case. I did have a couple of the carbon fiber ones before, but this is it. It's just got some pull tabs on the bottom here to take the tape off, which is nice. You don't have to cut it. So just pull those off. And then the bottom slides out. I thought it was like a flip open thing, but it just slides out. There's the specs on it. So this case it's pretty rough. It feels like a rock almost, is my best way to describe it. Not in a bad way, but it is a rough kind of feeling. Very, very grippy. You won't have any grip issues with this case. So if you're wanting something that you're not worried about your phone slipping out of your hand, this is definitely one to check out. But it is a bumper case, so it does cover all the sides and everything like that. It's not just a back cover, so it is pretty protective. You do get a edge on it, so it will hopefully cover a little bit of the screen, but I would still use a screen protector if you're worried about that. But that's what it feels like, and that's what it sounds like in the hand. Very nice case, in my opinion. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.